I request you to all please settle down. Yes, good morning. Today we have with us Professor Anupam Ahuja ma'am. Ma'am is a former professor and the head of Department of Education and of Group of with Special Need and IRD Department of NCRT. And ma'am is having the experience of more than 3 decades on the field of education with a special focus on the developing of inclusive practices. And today, ma'am will take session on assistive technology with special for children with special needs, cater to the inclusive education. So, ma'am, we welcome you all. We welcome you here, and we thank you for just giving us the time and accepting our invitation. All over to you. Thank you. This is Namaskar, everybody. I hope you are enjoying the festivity or preparing for it. So, very happy to be with all of you. Uh, Maybe you heard of my name earlier. Yeah, okay. So today, I don't lose opportunity even now to meet you all. Okay, so I make it a point to say uh, what I need to tell you through my uh, sharing, and also before I say anything else, happy Diwali to all of you upcoming. And secondly, what I'm going to talk till about 1. I think 1 o'clock तक है ना बेटा? मैम 12:30 हमेशा मेरे को आधा घंटा ज्यादा चाहिए होता है ओके 12:35 30 35 35 कर लूंगी मैं आई विल नेगोशिएट आई कैन डू थैंक यू उसके बाद भी before I say anything else I want to now say because I have superannuated though I come almost 3-4 times a week to NCRT but you should as you walk along with what you are doing in inclusive education, feel free to get in touch with. If you are any at any point of time, आपको लगता है कि मैं आप मेरे साथ अपनी thoughts को share कर सकते हो, challenges या कहीं successes भी बहुत अच्छे हुए. Do keep in touch and don't think कि एक retired professor आके हमें कुछ बता गए अब हमको इसमें ये दिक्कत हुई तो कैसे उनको contact करें. My email is on the first PPT slide. And I promise that as soon as I get a mail from you if I'm traveling, I'm very active professionally. I am trotting the globe also and nationally also with research and other activities. So, अगर मैं ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ मैं बोलूँगी मैं 3 दिन बाद जवाब दूँ या 1 दिन बाद और आजकल तो ग्लोबल विलेज है so you can even send right away with your from so that is one thing I want to say at the outset, and that's my word of commitment to you. Okay, now let's look at what we have to talk about. We have to talk about one very important issue. Everybody who stands here thinks what he or she is saying is very important. But what I'm talking about is really important. Why? Because very simply put, पहले मैं समा बांधूंगी. I will try to mix English and Hindi, and if you feel it's a problem, tell me. I can speak in any one language with ease. English will be better, madam. English will be better. All of how many of you want only English? Raise your hand quickly. Great. And how many want mix? Okay. So I will cater to the needs of both. In I will say it in English and quickly in Hindi as well, so that we can cater to the needs of our group. Now, why do I say it is very important? We have spent almost 80 years without now having to blame the English and the British regime for our education. हमने 70 साल plus से we have been running our education the way we think is appropriate. Do you all agree? Yes, more or less. Yes. And we have taken big leaps. It's not, I'm not going to be negative, but I don't want also to not tell you the true picture, which you also know. I'm not telling you anything new. We have, very simply putting, we have given excellent access to schooling to our children. 3 किलोमीटर पर बच्चे के पास एक स्कूल है हमारे देश में. ये छोटी बात नहीं है. It's a tall order task. I remember 87 when I joined the council. And we were writing research papers in the first decade of my professional life in NCERT. We used to be very excited about quoting enrollment drives के output. You know that we have got children into school. Now we have teachers. We have parents who are engaged, and the schools are limping to become good schools. And we would be very excited about saying, देखो 80% is state की enrollment, 60% is state की, and अभी ये वाले बीमारू states, etc. etc. We would have all those acronyms which we would use. But even today, I'm talking of the early 90s when we were very happy with our enrollment, and enrollment has gone up since then. One thing that is still bothering us, despite a 5 year policy implementation, is that there are large number of children who leave our school system. पतली गली से निकल जाते हैं, है ना? आ जाते हैं 1 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल, कभी कभी 5, because 5 तक है. All you know the reasons, right? But if I look at the higher education scenario, and especially for children with special needs, the picture is dismal. There is a very, very small number that reach higher education. Come, doors only, university ka darwaze pe. And those who reach are mostly those who have visual difficulties, orthopedically challenged, okay, or some with who. Absolutely, ma'am is right. Those who have difficulties in hearing and speech. The others do not reach higher education. Now you will say, ma'am, you can't expect an intellectually challenged child to reach higher. Agreed. I am not saying we are providing equal education to all so that everybody reaches. No. But every child should feel that his or her potential is being unfolded in the school, whether it is vocational through vocational education or good socialization skills or building self concept or building the communication skills of children. All this is part of life. If I was to ask you all, there is now one question. How many of you are science students? Okay, many of you. Okay, I'll ask you a simple question. Tell me, in class 10th, in your biology textbook, uh, what was chapter 4 about? Does anybody remember? You also don't remember. You're a young boy. He's probably the youngest in the class who is sitting. Nobody remembers. Yes? Now that doesn't mean that we are not competent. No, not only that. It is how our mind takes in what is required. Nobody is going to ask anybody class 10th का chapter 4 क्या था. ये जरूरत नहीं है किसी को पूछने की. मगर जब बच्चे क्लास 10th में होते हैं, हम उस चैप्टर 4 के लिए उनकी जिंदगी को कितना मुश्किल कर देते हैं कि अगर ये चैप्टर 4 में से 3 सवाल आ गए तो तुम्हारा एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, फॉरगेट नाउ स्कूल परफॉर्म, तुम्हारा एंट्रेंस एग्जाम क्लियर ही नहीं होगा. करो 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 करो. अब इस स्टेज में आके हमें याद ही नहीं वो चैप्टर का नाम क्या था. द पॉइंट आई एम मेकिंग इज schooling is much more than preparing for and getting into the right exam. Each one of us is a competent learner in this class, is learning every day, every hour, and growing. Why? Because we were given the skills to learn in school. Yes or no? We were given the self confidence that even now, when the director calls and says, look, this aspect of this team needs this input in research. This is how they've looked at the data. How can we analyze it better? Can you sit with them? I may not know what it is, but I'll immediately say yes. I'll sit up the night, look into why? Because I know that when I explore, when I put my mind, I will find some answer. I will go and share, and we will collectively come to some answer. We don't say no, sir. मैं तो अब रिटायर्ड हूँ, मुझे नहीं कुछ आता। नहीं, आता तो बहुत कुछ और है। इनफैक्ट नाउ इट्स is the peak time because I'm not engaged in administrative tasks as head of departments, which I was. Now I'm only academic, right? But what I'm saying is, even when we are in our profession, each one of us, whatever tasks we get, our teachers build our confidence to handle situations which we did not know and cannot do. And we perform and we are happy with ourselves. कोई और दे ना दे, तब तभी हम अपने आप को दे लेते हैं और फिर आगे चलते हैं, है ना? This is something that our school system, I am putting it very simply, this is what our school system is not giving to our children. Despite 80 years of excellent work by each one of us, the best we could do. And children are not dropping out, they are being pushed out of the system. हम कुछ ऐसा करते हैं स्कूल में कि बच्चे छोड़ के चले जाते हैं। पेरेंट्स कुछ करते हैं घर पे कि उनको अहमियत नहीं समझ आती स्कूलिंग की, बच्चों को भी और पेरेंट्स को भी। और कुछ जरूरतें ऐसी हैं ऑफ लाइफ, इफ आई एम अ माइग्रेंट वर्कर, I cannot stay in a place more than 3 months. I will move with bag and baggage, whatever I have, and go to the next place to earn my bread and bring some food on the children's table, or whatever. Where that's a statement we make, bringing food on the table, right? So these are facts that we cannot forget, and we also cannot forget कि migrant बच्चे भी हमारे बच्चे हैं. They are not children who will be given education by somebody else. Our regular education system ought to give us this the bandwidth, the scope to also cater to their needs. What I'm trying to say is inclusion addresses what we are saying. That is the reason this topic is very important. How we do it, we will unfold. How do we use assistive technology? How do we cater to the differences? Why did I say migrant population? Why did I just passingly mention the blind, the orthopedic, and hearing? Our policy now is talking of a disadvantaged group, socially, economically, geographically disadvantaged, disability, and not 7 disabilities which were known by acts earlier. Sorry? No. How many disabilities now have to be considered in regular schools? 21. Excellent. 21. According to RPWD 2016 Act. Act. What does that mean? Law. What does law mean? Binding. What does binding and law mean? We can be punished if we don't abide to that. Parents can take us to court and say, my child has not been given the assistive technology that is his right. Mind you, according to the legal act, RT Act 2009, every child has the right to knock on the door any time during the year and say, मैं आ गया, मुझे पढ़ाओ. Do you understand the complexity of what I'm talking? There is a large population of children who are being still pushed out, and there is a legal act on our head which says that we have to respect the right of every child to be in a regular classroom, and we need to build the teacher skill. यहाँ पे सारे डाइट और SCRT के लोग, हमें टीचरों की स्किल इस तरह बनानी है, चाहे इन सर्विस हो, चाहे प्री सर्विस हो, चाहे हाइब्रिड मोड में करें, चाहे ऑनलाइन करें, कि वो इस जिम्मेवारी को we should accept it not as additional work, not as a burden, but understanding that a child who may be an IS officer's child in a KB and a child who could be a carpenter's son, both have the same right to be given opportunities to learn. That policy also talks about equity, not equal. I don't want to say that the IS officer and carpenter should all both get 98.6%. No, that is not what is possible in a school system. We can't get everybody the same, but we can give them opportunities with assistive technology so that whatever is their potential, they should be able to perform. And we don't compare children with children. We compare the child with his or her own progress. That's what the policy is talking. And that is the cornerstone of quality education now. Not getting children in, not building schools. That is going on. Not distributing uniforms. That is also going on. That's now part of the system. So when a nation is 80 years old, it has to move further from where it is. And this is what we are now standing on rooftops and telling each other we must do. So मैं अभी समय बांध रही हूँ अपने म्यूजिकल कॉन्सर्ट का जो देना है. समय बांधने में दो पॉइंट्स मैंने आपको बताए. एक मैंने बताया इंक्लूजन क्यों उसकी जरूरत है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. दूसरा हमने टच किया लीगल एक्ट के बारे में. ये सब मेरी पीपीटी में और डिटेल में है. I will skip through it, but first I just want to talk to you about it so that you are clear when you read my PPT on your own क्या हम बात कर रहे हैं. तीसरा पॉइंट समा बांधने में मैं ये बताना चाह रही हूँ कि आप कहेंगे मैम हम टीचर्स को वी आर नॉट ट्रेनिंग देम, टीचिंग अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट ऑटिज्म इन थ्योरी, teaching a little bit about blindness, low vision, touching upon this as disabilities does not prepare a teacher to handle them in a class of 45. So why are you talking about a thing which the system is still not prepared with? ठीक कह रही हूँ कि नहीं? टीचर्स की इतनी कैपेसिटीज अभी नहीं है. और हमने भी एनसीईआरटी में भी I remember even now when me and my colleagues from the Department of Education of Groups with Special Needs would attend meetings, they would say, "आ गए DGSN वाले." What does that mean? अब ये अपने बच्चों की बात करने में हमको पीछे खींचेंगे. Means अगर learning outcomes हम regular बच्चों की, we will say no. Let's think of how we will do it for children with special needs also. And we used to feel so bad. Why? Because a department, I'm being very blunt with you because we're academics talking to each other. A department cannot look at inclusion and propagate it in the country. Everybody has to think about it and understand it. It cannot happen by one person. Now, or 5 people or 10 people. The same applies to SCRTs also. One person cannot carry the weight of. They can create an awareness, can help you understand how, but समझना तो हम सबको है ना ये मुद्दे के बारे में and कैसे इसको लिए करना है. Now, the next point which is very very important that I want to tell you is if somebody asks you why inclusion, you have 2 points already. The policy talks about inclusion. So I am an implementer of the policy. So मुझे उसके अंतर्गत इंक्लूजन प्रैक्टिस करना है. दूसरा लीगल एक्ट है आरपीडब्ल्यूडी एक्ट जैसे सर ने बोला 2016. उसकी वजह से वी आर लीगली बाउंड टू think of the accommodations and practice inclusion. Third thing, and this is also very very interesting and very important to understand. You know that we sign certain treaties internationally, है ना, हमारा देश करता है बहुत सालों से कर रहा है. इंटरनेशनल मैंडेट भी हमें कहती है कि हम सिग्नेटरीज हैं. So therefore we have to practice and report about inclusion in different forums. So we cannot say नहीं जी हम तो अपना सिस्टम अपनी तरीके, फिर साइन मत करो, फिर उसकी सिग्नेटरी नहीं, तो वो तो हम बन गए ना, वो है हम। अब हम क्यों सिग्नेटरीज हैं? इसलिए नहीं कि हमको पेरिस जाने का शौक है, वो तो है सबको, लेकिन सिर्फ पेरिस जाके साइन करने के लिए सिग्नेचरी नहीं। आई एम टेलिंग यू नाउ समथिंग वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. What does global research in education tell us? Globally, अगर मैं बहुत सारे एजुकेशनल सिनेरियोज का एनालिसिस आपको बताऊं 3 बुलेट पॉइंट्स में, सिर्फ ताकि आपके पास लॉजिक हो किसी को देने के लिए और खुद को कन्विंस करने के लिए, उसका वेरी सिंपल कंक्लूजन है रिसर्च का, that when we cater to diversity in our regular classrooms, we do something that is very very appropriate for the school system and for society. How? 3 बिंदु है. पहली बात, the performance of every child improves. Have you heard what I've said? जब हम भिन्नता को अपनी क्लास में को केटर करते हैं या उसके लिए जो भी प्रबंध जरूरी है उनको हम देखते हैं, तो हर बच्चे की परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूव करती है. अब आप कहेंगे हमारे पास तो पेरेंट्स आते हैं, कहते हैं आप इस बच्चे पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं, इस पे इतना टाइम लगा रहे हैं, बाकी बच्चे निग्लेक्ट हो रहे हैं. दिस इज कॉन्ट्ररी टू द मिथ. दिस इज अ मिथ. Okay, that's point number 1. Second, when we do this, global research is telling us that we become better professionals. चाहे हम टीचर एडुकेटर हो, चाहे हम सपोर्ट टीचर हो, चाहे हम टीचर हो, चाहे हम प्रिंसिपल हो, किसी भी लेवल पे, चाहे हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर हो, चाहे हम डाइट के प्रिंसिपल हो, अगर हम अपनी डाइट में अपने बच्चों को इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन की शिक्षा का प्रैक्टिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग along with challenges and the way of handling it, if you do, I will become a better professional. Got it? And third thing, when we practice inclusion in schools, we move towards building inclusive societies. That's the third major fallout of and conclusion of research. Now, what does that mean? It means you and I know we don't have a separate grocery shop for a blind and for a sighted. We don't have a separate metro. We may have a track which helps us move, but in crowded times, that track कहाँ कौन उस पे चलता है आप और मैं जानते हैं, है ना? दिल्ली जैसी सिटी या किसी भी सिटी में मेट्रो, या वो ट्रैक्स कितने साफ रहते हैं जो बनाए होते हैं टाइल्स आदि आदि. तो जब हम सबको इस सोसाइटी में भिन्नता को लेकर सोसाइटी है, तो जब तक बच्चे बचपन से वो भिन्नता को एक्सपोज नहीं होंगे, वो एम्पैथी नहीं होगी, तो कभी भी सोसाइटी इंक्लूसिव नहीं हो सकती. इसलिए तीसरी चीज रिसर्च की है कि व्हेन वी प्रैक्टिस इंक्लूजन इन स्कूल्स, वी मूव टुवर्ड्स बिल्डिंग इंक्लूसिव सोसाइटीज. You get this? This is the conclusion. These 3 things that I've told you, you should always hold on to. Never lose heart in your practice, because this is not one research, this is not 2 research. These are conclusions of research done in different parts of the world. And that is the reason all over the world there is practice of inclusion that is being promoted, where they have 3 teachers and only 1 child and all the possible facilities in the system. There also they are saying, no, no, no. Put this child, place him in a regular class. Let these people work with the regular teacher. but the show must go on with the regular teacher, not by taking them away. What do we see in practice? Children who study in special schools. Honestly, friends, I'm not saying stop on special schools, but the common practice the world over is keep children in special schools only till their skills are built to be transferred in mainstream schools. अगर मैं ब्लाइंड हूं तो मुझे ब्रेल सीखनी है, मुझे व्हाइट केन से मोबिलिटी आनी चाहिए. आप कहेंगे मैम आजकल तो सेंसर वाला है, आजकल तो अभी हम असिस्टिव टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करेंगे, लार्ज स्क्रीन है, स्क्रीन whatever it is. You just like we need to know, we ma'am is writing notes, she's writing, just like we write, they write braille. So whatever technology may be, braille is essential, and this is something you must promote also. Without braille, the learning is not or at par with others. Okay. Now, the point I was trying to make is that when they learn how to read braille and to uh, give their outputs in braille on paper in terms of their exams, or giving verbal responses to a scribe who is listening, or someone who's writing for them or is recording for them, they should come to regular class. That is what is the practice the world. होता क्या है, अगर स्पेशल स्कूल आपकी विसिनिटी में है और बच्चा वहां चला गया, तो वापस का रास्ता बहुत कठिन है, वो गेट खोलकर उसको रेगुलर स्कूल की गेट में बिठा. Because it becomes, you stay there, you're amongst your own kind, your teachers know how to teach you, he's progressing there. But the day he finishes schooling, it is earthquake at home, earthquake for the child, earthquake for society, because they don't know how to accommodate the needs. Socialization doesn't take place. And for us and them, it is earthquake. It's not only for the child, family also. Mother, sister says, मैं काम पे जाऊंगी, वो अकेली घर पे होगी, कोई आ गया घर में, घुस गया, और उसको तो घर से बाहर बस स्टॉप तक का नहीं मालूम, क्योंकि वो कभी घर की में के आसपास विसिनिटी में रही ही नहीं. Neighbors cannot protect because they don't know her. Grandmother cannot look after her because one, she's grandmother, she's old, and if grandmother goes to the temple or the church or the gurdwara or wherever, the child doesn't know how many stairs take us. She doesn't know the geographical topography or whatever. तो दोनों के लिए आप कहेंगे सीख लेगी, लेगी, और सीखने में बहुत समय लगता है. और जब आप एडोलेसेंट होते हैं उस तरह नहीं सीखते जब आप 8 साल के बच्चे होते हैं या 4 साल के. So this is the reason we are saying we must keep them with others irrespective of their physical form. कुछ बच्चे दिखने में भिन्नता में भी हमारी आंखों के लिए बुरे नहीं, लेकिन बच्चों के लिए बुरे दिखते हैं, अजीब दिखते हैं. वो एक्रोनिम्स यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि हम भी कहते हैं CWSF. बहुत सारे साल जब मैं रिसर्च करने के लिए स्कूल में जाती थी, बोलते थे आ गई प्रोफेसर हो जाओ, उनके बच्चे उनको दे दो. Not only were the children typed, I was typed as a caretaker of Uni. So I would say, ma'am, I've come for all these children. Oh, अच्छा, आप तो स्पेशल एजुकेशन वाले हो ना? मैंने कहा हाँ मैं स्पेशल एजुकेशन वाली, इसीलिए मैं सबके लिए हूँ. अच्छा मैडम, मुझे समझ नहीं आया, बताइए कैसे. She doesn't mean bad, but the moment she would say स्पेशल बच्चे प्रोफेसर अहूजा आ गई, एक डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो गई ना. हम सोचते हमने कुछ नहीं किया, हम तो मैम को हेल्प कर रहे हैं और बच्चों को हेल्प कर रहे हैं, बट वो हेल्प नहीं होता. और जब हर घंटे ऐसी हेल्प होती है ना, आके यहाँ खड़े हो जाओ, स्कॉलरशिप की लाइन वाले इधर खड़े हो जाओ, बाकी बच्चे इधर। होता है कि नहीं होता? इट हर्ट्स, एंड इट हर्ट्स सो मच। पतली गली से निकलना, बच्चा कभी स्कूल नहीं छोड़ेगा अगर हम कुछ बुरा स्कूल में नहीं करें। ये एच्ड इन स्टोन है, इस चीज को कोई नहीं बदल सकता। बच्चा चाहता है, लंच टाइम में देखिए ना, सबसे मजेदार टेबल क्लास टीचर की होती है। हर बच्चा आके, मेरी मम्मी ने ये बनाया, ये खाई माँ। शी हैज अ फीस्ट एवरी डे because every child wants to share their small bite with the teacher and looks at the teacher's face, कैसा लगा खाना? क्यों? Because we want, the child wants acceptance from the adult, right? तो वो छोड़ेगा क्यों स्कूल? घर से भी डांट खाएगा, आपसे भी आंख चुराएगा, बाकी नेबरहुड भी उसको ताना देगा कि तू तो सारा दिन अमरूद के पेड़ पे ही दिखता है, क्या होगा तेरी जिंदगी का? ये सुनना अच्छा थोड़ी लगता है उसको। Just let us put ourselves in the child's shoes and then look at all these aspects. Then we will know that if I have to wear goggles every day just because my eye sockets are deformed, I'm using this word, it's not a healthy thing. Right? आज मैं आपको एक दूसरे नंबर का अपना चश्मा अभी बैग से निकाल के दे दूं और बोलूं शाम तक वही पहनना, अपना चश्मा नहीं पहनना, कैसा लगेगा? पहले पूछेगी मैम क्या नंबर है आपका आई का, राइट? बट उस बच्चे को रोज गॉगल पहन के स्कूल में आना। क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा नॉर्म है, हम सब साइटेड है, हम अपनी साइट से ऐसी आंखें नहीं देखना पसंद करते। एक्चुअली यही बात है, और हम अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक्स में भी वही चित्र डालते हैं कि ब्लाइंड बच्चा गॉगल वाला। तो फिर इट गेट्स फर्दर। The point I'm telling you is discrimination also does not just happen. It is built into the system. And we have to look into the system and its layers in order to clean the system. सबसे पहले, अब मैं 12:30-35 तक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात कह रही हूँ अपने टॉक की। सबसे पहले हमें खुद को टटोलना है। How do I consider this all ma'am that ma'am is saying? Am I inclusive in my head? Am I ready to send my own child in a school where there are EWS children around him? Or do I think, no, ये बच्चे तो घर में गाली सुनते हैं, ये बच्चे तो नाखून भी नहीं काटते हैं, ये बच्चों के कपड़े तो रोज धुलते नहीं है, मगर मेरा बच्चा तो इतनी अच्छी किताबें पढ़ता है, मैं कहाँ कहाँ से लेके आती हूँ, मैं उसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड, और ये उसके ऊपर अच्छा असर नहीं करेंगे। अगर मेरे मन में ऐसी बात है तो मैं इंक्लूजन नहीं प्रमोट कर सकती। We have to believe that every child has a right to be in my class. Unless we believe it, we cannot actually look further into this PPT. So please spend some time not in creating awareness for parents, first creating your own thought process and analyzing it. Why? There are going to be girls in class, there are going to be boys. There'll be boys who can sing, there'll be boys who can shout, there'll be boys who are fat, there are boys who are tall, right? And there'll be boys who will suddenly get that Adam's apple much before the other children in the class. And the voice will become hoarse. I'm talking not of primary years, I'm talking of the schooling process, right? How do you tackle these differences? And at home, if you talk to any parent who has a child who is different from others in his learning style, see, now I'm not talking of labels, I'm talking of learning style. The parent says, मुझे बहुत आता है, मुझे पता है ये कैसे सीखता है, मुझे एंड उसकी अगर हम एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशंस देखें, they could be very not indicative of high Lawrence. But how does the parent know? Because the parent cares. The parent explores. The parent understands, has sympathy, empathy, and wants the child to perform. That is missing in the school system. I am not saying I agree with you. Teachers are ill prepared. Teachers are ill prepared to work with assistive technology in inclusive classrooms in my country, even today. But the fact that I'm talking to you about it is a step towards inclusion. अगर हम इसकी बात ही ना करें and we wish it under the carpet and we say everything is hunky dory, तो चलते रहेंगे ना फूल्स पैराडाइज में. तो कम से कम हम बात तो करने लग गए जोर जोर से कि भाई ये एक रियलिटी है. हम बहुत सालों से इस रियलिटी पर उतना फोकस नहीं दे सके जितना देना चाहिए. And that, to my mind, is a big leap forward. Because I know that in this very place, I, I and my colleagues have stood on rooftops and screamed and say, inclusion is the way forward, but it would not make much noise in the education system. But now it does. And that is the reason we are very, very positive about its further developments. Policy also does not talk about labeling. Let me just end uh, my introduction to this by saying the content of the label is important, not the label. So, knowing what is autism, who is an autistic child, and how does an autistic child behave is important, but not sticking that label on the child. Because एक बार हमने वो लेबल लगा दिया, वो बाकियों से भिन्न हो गया और जिंदगी भर उसको याद रहेगा. क्लास 8 में मेरी असेसमेंट हुई थी, तब से सब चिंतित हैं क्योंकि मैं तो चाइल्ड विद ऑटिज्म हूं. आई डिडंट से ऑटिस्टिक चाइल्ड. व्हाई? कोई बताएगा? व्हाई डिड आई से चाइल्ड विद ऑटिज्म? आप कहेंगे मैम इसमें क्या फर्क है. सबसे पहले वो बच्चा है जैसे बाकी बच्चे. ऑटिज्म इज वन ऑफ द मेनी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड. उसको भी सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है, झूला झूलना, मीठी मिठाई खाना, शरारतें करना, आपसे एक्सेप्टेंस प्राप्त करना. राइट? सो टू लेबल हिम एंड टू पुट हिम अवे with the label is a almost, I will say, CRIME in education. Because sometimes it's wrong labeling also. सब कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स वैसे दिखते हैं, लेकिन कोई ठप्पा लगाने के लिए बहुत समय तक वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दिखने चाहिए. And some professionals, in order to earn quick money, will be the first to put. आजकल कितने स्कूलों में मैं जाती हूँ, मैम अच्छा आप आ गए, हमारे ना बहुत सारे बच्चे डिस्ग्राफिक हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे डिसलेक्सिक हैं. आप तो एनसीईआरटी के, आपका तो बरखा सीरीज, आप तो रीडिंग में बहुत काम किया ना मैम, इनकी रीडिंग पुअर. What is this that you are saying? They're all children. Each child reads in his own way. Why are we jumping to dyslexia, dysgraphia? These are terms for you and me to understand the child. And we are creating separate sections where we are saying that just like there is a grey coat given to a scholar and he stands and walks in the school as if, oh, to more hai. Peacock hai na? Who can just spread his grey coat because he's a scholar. What has he done? He has crammed up the information because there were 7 tutors working with him and his parents. The point I'm making is a gifted child is also a special needs child according to the policy. He needs much more attention and much more change in the curriculum and the pedagogy that we are adopting. Just like a child who is intellectually challenged will have. Don't call children with low vision, low vision. Call them children with remaining sight. The act में से visually impaired, but हम एजुकेशनिस्ट को पॉजिटिव टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज करना चाहिए. व्हील चेयर बाउंड और व्हील चेयर यूजर में फर्क है. व्हील चेयर एक बार देने से, टिक लगाने से काम नहीं चलेगा. बच्चा बड़ा होगा, उसका वेट बढ़ेगा, टायर्स घिसेंगे, राइट. बट क्या कहते हैं, लॉयंस क्लब ने क्लास 3 में दे दिया व्हील चेयर. अब वो 8th क्लास में आता नहीं. अरे उसको तो व्हील चेयर दिया था ना, क्यों नहीं आता? This is how we look at, and it's not that we don't have the funds. We don't know how to use the funds appropriately. Okay, so these are issues that I'm raising for you to think about. There's a lot to think about. There's a how you create awareness. We can go on talking till the cows come home, but 12:35 होने वाले हैं. अभी मैंने एक ही स्लाइड दिखाई है आपको, but I think it's important that we create this energy and thinking in the class for all of us before we proceed further. What is assistive technology? You know. You will find out there are about 48 or 38 PPT slides that I have. You are all adults, and I'm not talking to children. You are experienced professionals. And when you want, you will look at this. But before I go even further, एक छोटा सा और चीज बताती हूँ. ये एक चित्र है. इसमें मैंने कुछ दिखाया है, जिसमें बेटे मेरा नाना बच्चे. I have put in bold, all equal, all different. What does that mean? That's what I want you to think about. What does this mean when I say all equal, all different?
Looks like same animals with the same size, but they are different in other ways.
Yes. And why did I say all equal and all different?
Size.
And what? How many letters have I used? How many words have I used? 4 words. Not a long passage, ना? 4 शब्दों से भी आप जो बात कहना चाहते हो, वो हम कह सकते हैं. That's another point I want to make. That keep such messages in your drawers. Keep some such messages on your classroom, because they send a message to others who come, and they also remind you when you feel very low. I went to a school, I won't mention the name of the school, or maybe I will, Sardar Patel Vidyalaya. You know about Sardar Patel Vidyalaya? In Delhi, it's uh, one of the schools which has existed for many, many years and adopts a pedagogy and a style of teaching which is different. Uh, I was helping the school select school counselors in that process. And I said I will come a little early and I will be in some classes just to, and usually they don't allow. But I was allowed and I was very happy to be. They don't allow you to take photographs. There are certain norms of that school. छोटी सी बात बताती हूँ. उस क्लास में एक छोटा सा ऐसा ही लिखा था. उसमें क्या लिखा था? We all march together. So I said, this was just this month. I said, march together. Doesn't make sense. Marching together. We all march together. Then there was group work happening. And I just sat with the children to understand and be part of furniture. I was not interfering. And I found दूसरा एक बच्चा ऐसे दूसरे को कहता है, just this visual effect. उसको बताना है, he's पीछे. We all march together. Then I went to another group and they said, let's give him crayons to finish this drawing, because drawing सबने बनानी है. We all march together. Now, I just third, I was wanting to know कि अब क्या कहेंगे. Obviously, the teacher had used that placard that day, explained it to them that we have differences in this classroom. In your groups, when I take the output, I can ask anyone, how did you make this? This is the only instruction she gave. Got it? तो सब बच्चे 8 8 बच्चे एक दूसरे को वर्बल नॉन वर्बल कह रहे हैं, उसको भी बता दो कैसे ये किया, बिकॉज वी हैव टू ऑल मार्च टुगेदर. नाउ द पॉइंट इज how you change the climate of your class depends upon the way you plan it. She must have thought of this at home, or she must have discussed it with another teacher. She is also a teacher who has gone through the same process of B.Ed, M.Ed, or whatever. It is how you think of making a change by engaging every learner in a simple way. Don't make it too mystified. The moment you make it too mystified, you become tired. You can do it only for some days, and then भूख निकल जाती है और फ्लैट हो जाती है टीचर, और फिर कहती है अब मैडम मुझसे इंक्लूजन नहीं होगा. राइट? वो नहीं हमें करना. हमें वैसी बैटरी लगाना है जो स्पेशल नीड्स को मिस्टिफाई ना करे, डीमिस्टिफाई करे. और जो मैंने आपको कहा कि वी बिकम बेटर प्रोफेशनल्स एंड आवर चिल्ड्रन लर्न टू बी एम्पैथेटिक एंड ईच लर्नर इंप्रूव्स देयर लर्निंग. अब जब वो 6 बच्चे बैठकर 8 बच्चे बैठकर वी मार्च टुगेदर सोच रहे हैं, तो वो ये भी सोच रहे कैसे समझाना है. उसके लिए खुद भी तो क्लैरिटी ला रहे हैं ना. अगर मैं हम दोनों मैथ्स का कोई सम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं और मैम ने बोला है 4 लोग कर लो, मैं ये मैथ्स का सोल्यूशन लेकर नेक्स्ट ग्रुप को दूंगी, तो चारों को वो आना पड़ेगा तभी मैम लेके जाएंगी ना. और चारों में से हो सकता है एक को अच्छा आता हो, दूसरे को दूसरा स्टेप आता हो. दे विल शेयर, दैट विल ब्रिंग क्लैरिटी. The moment I prepare a PPT, I collate my thoughts and I realize what I have to tell you. I also become clear in what I have to say. Otherwise, there are so many thoughts. When you have worked, I've been working from 83 on inclusive education. That is the first uh, step I took in those years. Now, 83 से अभी क्या है 2025, and I may go on for another 100 years if allowed. Okay, now all that I've learned, unless I collate it for you in some form, I will not have clarity in what I have to say. The same applies to others. Same applies to you and to each one of you. Us. So therefore, in order to have practice inclusion, there are many positive fallouts. Use such quotes is the essence of this long story. But you will remember Sardar Patel Vidyalaya, you will remember marching together. और जो मैंने कहा वो शायद ना याद रहे, लेकिन ये याद रहेगा. Because it's simple, it's doable, it's effective. You are convinced about this. Okay, so make such posters suiting your context. I am not saying isko replicate kar do. Please, for heaven's sakes, don't do that. That is not being creative. Now, what do I want to tell you in my PPT? Uh, this is what you will learn. You can see that on your own. The focus is on children with special needs. We need to adapt our curriculum, and children with disabilities, who they are, is defined by the RPWD Act. अपनी definitions मत बनाइएगा. जो 21 की 21 legal definitions दी हैं, we have to understand them and we have to be able to include all 21 progressively in our classrooms. एक और चीज मैं quickly बताती हूँ. I would like you first all to stand up, please. Okay, let's do some quick clapping here. और थोड़ा hard, और hard, और hard. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Okay, I am going to go a little fast and I want you to be active with me. That is why I have asked you to do it. Thank you for being Montessori school children with me. Okay, all right. Now, what do I want to tell you? अच्छा लगा ना करके? बेटर देन जस्ट सिटिंग ओके सो मॉन्टेसरी स्कूल के बच्चे हमसे ज्यादा मजा लेते हैं लाइफ का rather than we all do because वो ये सब बार बार करते हैं ओके तो आरपीडब्ल्यूडी में कुछ ऐसी डिसेबिलिटीज हैं जो स्कूल में नहीं होती जैसे पार्किंसंस डिजीज वो तो बच्चों में नहीं होती वो तो बुढ़ापे में ही आती है और अगर आप अच्छा जिंदगी जियो तो नहीं आती है ओके लेकिन अगर आती है तो वो एक्ट में because it is referring to persons with disability right so it has persons in mind not just children बट एक चीज मैं और आपको बताना चाहती हूँ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आरपीडब्ल्यूडी एक्ट में 21 के साथ लिखा है एनी अदर दैट प्रोविजन द एक्ट हैज ऑलरेडी गिवन हमें अमेंडमेंट नहीं ढूंढने because you know mutations are taking place you know nuclear activity is there wars are there कल क्या होगा ये पीपीटी रहेगी भी नहीं क्यों अगर बॉम्ब हो गया थर्ड वर्ल्ड वॉर तो सारा खत्म तमाशा तो what I'm saying is we have to be cautious about understanding the educational component of the RPWD Act. Okay, so there are 21 and any other because parents may come and say हम यहाँ से आए वहां पर ये एनालिसिस हुआ है ये मेरे बच्चे का सर्टिफिकेट है जिस देश में अभी आया हूं मैं तो उन्होंने ये डिसेबिलिटी डिसाइफर की है मगर मैडम आपकी तो एक्ट में नहीं है तो आप कहिए नहीं है एनी अदर कैटेगरी में ये बच्चे का वही राइट है जो बाकी बच्चों सो डोंट मिस यूजुअली एक्सेट्रा और एनी अदर को हम भूल जाते हैं यू नो इट इज लाइक एनासिन की गोली भूल गए चलिए सो दीज आर चिल्ड्रन हु आर चिल्ड्रन विद स्पेशल नीड्स आई हैव गिवन यू प्रिटी 4 bullets नॉट प्लेन गोले बट अच्छे अच्छे गोले ओके ये 4 कैटेगरीज के जो बच्चे हैं चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम एसईडीजीज मैम सेड disadvantaged groups children having difficulty in accessing regular classrooms just those बहुत बारिश हो गई जो घर बना था वो भी टपक रहा है जो झुग्गी और इतने बोल्डर्स हैं जो हिल्स के खुदाई हुई और तो एक्सेस ही नहीं है स्कूल में आने का 2-3 किलोमीटर है लेकिन नहीं है वो भी चिल्ड्रन विद स्पेशल नीड हो सकता है वो स्पेशल नीड सिर्फ 6 महीने की हो लेकिन हर बच्चे का हर मिनट इंपॉर्टेंट है इट्स अगर मैं 5 मिनट लेट आई इस क्लास में तो आप हर के 5 मिनट लेट हो गए लिए मैंने राइट दैट्स व्हाट दिस मीन्स दैट चिल्ड्रन हैविंग access may improve but children should not be allowed to wait okay so let's now try to understand the act ये है मैंने लोग लाल रंग यूज करते हैं खतरे के लिए मैंने नीला रंग यूज किया है ओके द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द एक्ट how does the act define them what does the act say about accessible devices and digital devices आपको ये बहुत जरूरी है जब आप जाकर बोलेंगे कि मेरे बच्चे को टॉकिंग कैलकुलेटर चाहिए द प्रिंसिपल विल से व्हाट इज दिस टॉकिंग कैलकुलेटर इसके लिए अभी तो बहुत सस्ता मिलता है चाइना ने बहुत कमाल कर दिया है गुड्स आर अवेलेबल और चाइनीज जब कैलकुलेटर बच्चे को चाहिए तो डोंट डिसरिगार्ड मेड इन चाइना प्लीज जो भी हमारे पीएम के प्लीज डू यूज टेक्नोलॉजी दैट इज अवेलेबल फ्रॉम चाइना बिकॉज इट्स वेरी चीप एज कंपेयर टू व्हाट्स एंड अगर वो चल जाए तो बहुत सालों चलती है यूजुअली ऑफ कोर्स यू एंड आई ऑल्सो नो कि चाइना में भी बहुत सामान इंडिया में जो बनता है वो लोअर स्टैंडर्ड का होता है जो यूएस में जाता है वो हाई स्टैंडर्ड ऑल दीज आर marketing gimmicks and every country wants to earn money but the point I'm trying to make is some countries have made technology really available for children with special needs china is one of them so when you're looking look at all the possible scope and a talking calculator is a need for a child and the RPWD Act says you can purchase it. That's the point I'm trying to make. वो मैंने इसमें आपको दे दिया है। आर्टिकल 40 के हिसाब से सर मैं ये नोट पुट अप कर रहा हूं, मेरे बच्चे को ये असिस्टिव डिवाइस क्लास में चाहिए, ये लीगल एक्ट है, आप और मैं जेल चले जाएंगे अगर नहीं, फटाफट साइन हो जाएगा अगर आप ये लैंग्वेज लेकर जाएंगे और आर्टिकल को कोट करके अच्छे से अपना केस बनाएंगे। I am saying this to all SCRT colleagues and to diet colleagues because you have to pass it on to others. Okay, these are the 21 disabilities that the Act talks about. ये PPT आपकी है. You can read it at leisure later and understand it. अब अगर हम देखें कि कॉमन थ्रेड क्या रन करता है हमारी NEP में, जो 5 साल पुरानी हो गई, अब मैं उसको न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी नहीं की बिकॉज 5 साल जो चीज हो वो न्यू नहीं होती है, तो अगर हम उसकी उसमें ढूंढे फोकस ऑन डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी, इतने सारे क्लॉजेस हैं एंड ये मैंने मेजर क्लॉजेस निकाले हैं, तो आप डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करने के लिए nobody can stop you. That's the point I'm trying to make. It's a legal thing, it's in the policy, and these slides tell you about it. What does the policy talk about when it talks about socially सोशो इकोनॉमिकली डिसएडवांटेज? प्लीज ये थोड़ा सा मुंह पे मुश्किल से आता है, सोशो इकोनॉमिकली डिसएडवांटेज मीन्स सोशली जिनको हम अलग भिन्न करके रखे हैं बहुत सालों से बिकॉज ऑफ यू नो वेरियस रीजंस, एंड because their economic standards are not according to what is the average. So what does the policy say? Who are they? Transgender, yeah, and other genders. Then socio culturally cultural identities. बहुत सालों से हम बहुत सारा पैसा SC ST को, लेकिन हम कहते हैं रिसर्च टेल्स अस नॉट मच इम्प्रूवमेंट एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ criticism also. They say we should not give this money, some people say, because वो भी citizens of India, हम भी हैं, हमारे पैसे उनको क्यों देते हैं? But there is a reason. However, I still say we should utilize it better. Geographical identities, disabilities. I have put it, see, third red bullet, not the first one. And that also I have said, including पहली बार NEP ने learning disabilities को recognize किया. That's a big clap for them. And socio-economic conditions such as I talked about the migrant community, and there are many others. So ये है बच्चे जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं. All right, this is to be understood and communicated to others. It's also to be understood that there are many supportive measures for these children. ये मैंने इस स्लाइड में, मैं नहीं बोलूंगी इनके बारे में. अगर आपको भूख लगी है तो पढ़ लेना, नहीं भूख लगी तो ना पढ़ना. Okay, that's as simple. But this is again a very useful slide. I know you will read it. I'm just joking. And what is the support available? You can read it. How does it ensure equity? ये बहुत बड़ा सवाल है. Not equal, I said equity. Yeah, these are the measures the policy talks about. How does it promote gender? This slide will tell you all about that. You have to भूख के हिसाब से पढ़ना है. Okay, ये concept मैंने समझा दिया. Got it? But the most important part in this slide is Article 17 RPWD का एक्ट का इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन को कैसे डिफाइन करता है. इसमें बहुत सिंपल लिखा है. अगर हम 3 मिनट भी ले ले तो कोई हार्म नहीं है. Just read it to yourself. How does RPWD facilitate inclusive education? By defining it as, can somebody read it very loudly?
A system of education wherein students with and without disabilities learn together, and the system of teaching and learning is suitably adapted to meet the learning needs of different types of students with disabilities.
Yes, I finished mine. Yeah, okay. Got it? Yes? समझ गए? Okay. ये इसकी nuances हैं, ये भी समझ लेना. Equity is about ensuring fairness, where education of all learners is seen as having equal importance. Remember, I said IS officer and carpenter son, right? That's what it means. Every learner matters and matters equally. Children who learn together learn to live together. And children who live together live to nurture an inclusive nation. Not just this is equity and equality. Got it? This is a very good document. Do look into it. You will. This is the latest that has been made to help SCRT and diet faculty conduct trainings based on improving the quality of education for all children, not only for disabled children. It's free of cost. देखिए क्या होता है. Got it? Don't point a finger at the child. It's the system that needs to change, not children. We need to remember that we are here because of this. And yes, agreed? And if they are not happy, they are not learning. That's also something you must remember. How do we use this? You all know UDL. बहुत बार सुना है. This is the only approach that will really make classrooms inclusive. Agreed with this? Yeah? Anybody who doesn't agree that these three children should be given their freedom? That's what we are aiming at. Agreed? Agreed? What's the number of my slide? Can somebody tell me? No. Nobody. Didn't count. Okay. You know this all by heart almost. But please, putting it into practice is not a challenge. It is not easy. This is the most difficult to put into practice. Think about it, how to do it. This I have just talked about digital technology supporting special needs. You have to read it yourself to understand it. What are accessible digital textbooks all about? What does it mean? What's accessible material? I put it very simply for you. आप पढ़ लीजिए, समझ लीजिए, प्रैक्टिस के बारे में सोच लीजिए. ये सब कंपोनेंट्स है एक्सेसिबिलिटी की. हमने पूरी गाइडलाइंस बनाई हैं ड्यूरिंग कोविड ऑन developing e-content for children with disabilities. These are guidelines which are available on CIT website and Ministry of Education website because the minister released it because of that and also because it's NCRT. It clearly says ये तीनों important है. ये उसके sections मैंने लिखे. Section 5 में क्या लिखा था उसका, because I want to create that thirst. I am not here to tell you how many pages the guidelines is. What? No, I'm just showing it to you. And what is born accessible textbook? How do we create it? That's for SCRT to decipher. अगर रात को नींद नहीं आती ये पीपीटी देख के तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, बिकॉज बहुत काम करना है. It's not an easy path for us. These guidelines can only help us look at both academic and non-academic content. The CIT website is full about how digital technology can be used for providing accessible digital concepts for school curriculum. We are in the process of finalizing textbooks, see how accessible they are, make them more accessible, and work towards it. This is something I think most of you must have heard about what it is, जाके एक कहानी पढ़िए, सुनिए, समझिए क्या काम किया गया है इसमें। सीआईटी की वेबसाइट पे आपकी आइडेंटिटी नहीं पूछेंगे, आपसे पैसे नहीं मांगेंगे, आपसे कोई वादा नहीं मांगेंगे, मगर आपको कहानी पढ़ने की पूरी सुविधा है। लर्न, read them and you will know how hard this process was, what we have done to make a 16-page storybook accessible for all children. And why is it being put in UNESCO's 2030 example of best practice? It doesn't just come. The UNESCO resource pack I showed you, I have my name on top. Now I am telling you, is not because I am, it's the institution that has worked and the exploration we have done in this area, which is what makes us being part of a document which is globally being used. So nothing comes easy. This work took us 3 years of 18 hours of work, almost daily. And बनाया क्या? सिर्फ 40 किताबें, कहानियों की, वो भी बच्चों के लिए. But we didn't stop there. We went on, this was tryout, we went on to take this learning into textbooks. What it is this. We prepared these videos, we had audio tracks, all this is there based on the accessibility related work done in this compound, along with experts all over the country and also internationally. Now, what are assistive technologies? You could, I could have finished my talk in 7 minutes and gone, but I still have been given 10 minutes, and now it's only 6 minutes. She gave it to me 4 minutes ago. I needed to share all that I had to share. Simply to tell you this, because assistive technology किसको चाहिए, कैसे यूज करनी है, कौन देगा, that's most important. Not just knowing about assistive technology. So this is the definition when you want to understand it. A communication board, that's an assistive technology. I've given very small descriptions. A pencil grip is an assistive technology. Don't think of assistive technology only as something complex. A scissor per modified scissor to help all children cut in class is a assistive technology. A head pointer to do what I'm doing with my finger. If I could not use my hand, I have a head pointer which will help me use the keyboard and probably do this as well. These are examples of assistive technology. Low, mid, these are mid, and these are high assistive. There is a whole range you can explore, but remember the act allows you to use it, the policy allows you to. तो कोई पेरेंट जिसको नहीं पता उसको बताइए ये बात, और whatever is needed for the child, use it. I am telling you, in a few years, many of us will be behind bars if we don't understand them now. Because the way social media is moving, parents will take us to court to just tell that my son needs an eye tracking device and the school is not providing it. So you are impeding his learning. The act is giving that permission. ये दूर नहीं है दिन जब ये होने वाला है. Because we are now, we eat a meal and we take a pic and we put it on Instagram. आज हमने यहाँ खाना खाया. Why should I do it? I don't understand. But we do it now, just to tell others that we had a very good meal. But this is also going to happen. Parents are going to put pics on social media that this assistive technology I have been using for my child in this school for the last 3 years. And that teacher knows how to use it. And it is helping my child. So we cannot, ignore this knock on the table. That's all. That's the map that I wanted to tell you. Let's remember, this issue cannot be wiped away. I told you that at the outset. I'm telling you as I leave. How much time do I have now?
It's over. It's over.
Oh, it's over. Any questions? I can request them both or the three of them to allow me to take two questions. And as I said, I have not crossed my time. She said it's over, but my email is there. You can continue to ask. But अभी कुछ comment बहुत देने को दिल है या दो questions पूछने का मौका है, because फिर वहां पर रश हो जाएगा, फिर खाना मिलना मुश्किल होता है. I don't want to stand between lunch and you.
Madam, recently learning disability included, no?
Yes.
Many students misusing this, madam.
Yes,
Schools
very good
notices
question.
that many
Absolutely.
students
Yes.
addressing themselves as the
Yes,
parents,
yes. You're absolutely right. They cannot misuse it for long. The parents, the children cannot misuse it for long because there is a process of identification and screening. Screening, we have got Prashast now to screen them early, the regular teacher and the special school teacher, right? And misuse cannot be allowed for too long because when it comes to CBSE guidelines, at some point of time, it gets straightened out. But honestly, if I tell you, if the parents are misusing it for some time and it is benefiting the child, allow it. I am saying you can quote me also, I don't mind. Why? Because if they think that these provisions, that my child has this problem, and you will give better focus to the child, and he will get better facilities, who am I to crush their thinking? They should themselves learn that it's a stigma that you're asking for. At adult level, it has to be logic in the head. It does not have to be power dynamics. I cannot go and say, look, I have 40 years of work experience. Listen to me. Your child has this. They may listen to me because they may respect me. But after that, the murmur will be something else. So, in special needs, particularly, I say, let parents some time to be, because it's a trauma for a parent to consider that my child has some difference. Every parent wants the best for their child. And they may come to you because they are in that race of getting the best. But please take your own decision. These are remarks that I'm giving out of observation of many such parents who come and then themselves say, I was on the wrong path. If you give them that bandwidth to be. So लड़ाई में मत पड़िए. I am superior, I know it all, you don't know it. That doesn't help the child at the end of the day. That's my answer. Okay. Any other one now? Yes, it's been a long morning. I can see you putting your specs in your pockets, getting ready. I did that. फिर से करना पड़ेगा. खड़े होके clap करिए and please go for lunch. Thank you very much. Stay in touch. All the best.